This is a broken ballpoint hammer. And this is it after I'm finished with it. Stay tuned to find out what it looks like. First things first, we're going to pop this into the vise and get rid of the handle. Now we got to work on a new handle for it. Let's clean up the head, then put it on the handle. And for all the professionals, yes, I did forget to put wood glue in here whenever I was putting in the wedges. Then to finish it all off, I put some stain on the wood and some linseed oil on the metal to protect it from rusting. Now it's time for a good before and after. This is before. And this is after. And here's it in action. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, peace.